Make a fancy disguise. Materials: straight pins, felt sheets in light brown, white, purple, blue, and pink, scissors, needle and embroidery thread, 12-inch dowel, and stick-on rhinestones. Download the pattern at the link on this slide or in the description box below. Cut out the pieces. Use the pattern sheet to cut out the felt pieces. It will be helpful to pin the patterns to the felt with straight pins, then cut around the outlines. Start to sew. Use straight pins to secure the larger pieces in place before sewing them down. If you don't like to sew, you can use craft glue or a glue gun to attach the pieces. First, align the white eye pieces to the blue background as shown. Sew down using white thread. Make small close stitches around the edges of the eyes. Leave the inner circles loose. Then, align the brown iris pieces to the white eyes and sew down with white thread. Leave the inner circles loose. Stack the blue and purple eyeglass pieces on top of one of the white pieces as shown. Pin down the layers with straight pins to keep in place. Using purple thread, sew the two top layers to the bottom white layer. Sew around the outer edge, then sew around the inner edge. Tack down the pink heart by sewing a small X in the center. Sew the purple sleeve to the back of the remaining white piece in the position shown. This will be the dowel sleeve. Leave the bottom of the sleeve loose for the dowel to slide in. Sew around the sides and top, leave the bottom loose. Sew the finished top piece to the bottom white base. Using white thread, sew all around the edge. Be sure the dowel sleeve faces out on the back. Stack pieces together and sew all around the edge. Sew down the inner circles. Sew around the inner edge of the circle to pull all the layers together. There will be several layers to sew through. Then, attach the self-stick rhinestones. Insert the dowel, and you're done!